We're going to be using the Aphogee two-step protein treatment. I've already washed my hair with the shampoo that comes with this line as well. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do a protein treatment because I am going to be straightening my hair afterwards. It can get really messy. It's a liquid, so I do transfer it into a spray bottle, this one, and it just makes it a little bit easier to apply. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off into 4 different sections, and I'll be back. I was going to use my tangle tamer, I think that's what it's called, yes, my tangle tamer, to comb through my hair once I've applied the protein treatment, but my hair is pretty clean. It's like squeaky clean, and because of that, after I've applied the product, it just has a really weird feeling, and I'm not going to use that brush. I actually think it's a better idea to use my fingers, so I'm going to go ahead and rake the product through my hair as I go, do the best I can to detangle. Okay, so one side is done. We just got to get to the other side, but that was pretty simple. Like I said, I put it in a spray bottle. It makes the application a whole lot easier than trying to squeeze it out of this bottle. I just wanted to show you guys what we are looking like. This one's still a little stringy. I don't like that. This one should be a lot more curly than that, but it's in the front. And like I said, in the front, my hair, it tends to be a little bit looser than the rest. So you can see in the back here, you have some pretty tight curls, and then you have this in the front. So, all right, let's keep going. Let's get the other side done. Okay, y'all, we are on the very last section. I'm so excited because I am tired of doing my hair. Okay, so I've applied all of the product to my hair. As you can see, this side has already started drying. You should not manipulate your hair too much after you've finished applying the product, because your hair is going to start to harden after it is dry, or once it starts drying. It's very sticky. You can see my fingers are sticking together, so it's probably best to apply it to a spray bottle like this. I didn't use very much, maybe about 100 milliliters. This little thing is numbered. It's a little graph on there, and I still have quite a bit left in the spray bottle, so I'm gonna put that back into the container and use it another time. So again, as you can see, we are done. Hair's looking pretty good. The curls are clumped together. They're looking awesome. That little piece that we were talking about earlier, still a little stringy, but we'll see what happens after everything has dried. Using a conair blow dryer, something that I picked up from the local beauty supply. I actually like this one pretty good. It comes with some attachments. I always use the wide tooth comb when I am blow drying my hair because it just works better. So again, it's a Conair styler blow dryer, pretty good. It has 2 settings, low and high. Does have a cool shot as well. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so my hair is basically dry. It's pretty hard as a rock. I'm gonna show you a close-up. You can kind of tell how everything is all bunched together. There are still some parts that are wet, and I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with blow drying. Okay, so as you can see, it's extremely hard, and I think it's time to wash it out. Okay guys, I'm back fresh out of the shower. This is what hair is looking like. I have not put my leave-in yet. I'm gonna use, it's a 10 Miracle leave-in plus keratin. I love this stuff. It works really well when you are going to straighten your hair. This is what the hair is looking like. So fresh, so clean. Yeah, so anyway, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. This is my video on how to do the 2-step protein treatment, or at least how I do the 2-step protein treatment. So if you like the video, please make sure you give a thumbs up, make sure you comment below, and subscribe if you want to see more.